Hello, so for this video, we're gonna explain the Gale-Shapley algorithm, the foundation of stable matching theory. Gale-Shapley algorithm is published by David Gale and Lloyd Shapley in College Admissions and the Stability of Marriage in 1962 milestone. It was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2012 for the theory of stable allocations. It solved the complex stable marriage problems with a simple iterative proof. The input for Gale-Shapley algorithm is there's two sets of participants and each individual provides a strict ranking of all participants in the opposite set. And the goal for this theory is to find the perfect matching where every person is paired with exactly one partner from the other set and the matching is stable.
Stability. Matching is unstable if there exists a blocking pair. A man is M and a woman is W who are not matched, but both prefer each other over their current assigned partner. The propose and the reject process. The first step. Step 1. Propose. Each free man proposes to the highest ranked woman on his list who hasn't rejected him yet. So step 2. Defer. Women receive proposal and tentatively hold their most preferred suitor. Rejected the rest. Step 3. The last. Repeat. Rejected men move to their next choice. The process repeats until no more proposals are possible.
So let's talk
Next.
about time complexity. Time complexity varies by case. So we have here complexity analysis. So we have list of categories. We have best case, worst case, and average case. So the first one, let's talk about base case. It has omega of n that each man is immediately accepted by his first choice and proposal total. Each man get his top choice, no rejections occur. Then for the worst case, we have big O of n squared that every man proposes to every woman before finding a match. Example, reverse preference list cause maximum rejections. So for the last case, we have average case that has big theta of n log n. With random preference, each man makes approximately log n proposal on average being before match. So space complexity O big O of n squared storing preference list of all n men and x men n men women. So let's talk about space complexity. Space complexity, we have breakdown that total space complexity is big O of n squared dominated by the preference list. So we have preference list. It has big O of n squared. So it says here each of n men stores a rank list of n women and vice versa. So total 2 n squared entries. So for engaging tracking, we have big O of n. So it says one array of size n to track which woman each man is currently matched with. So let's talk about proposal pointer. It also has big O of n. So one integer per man tracking the next woman to propose to. So it has in integer total. So lastly, we have pre-men Q. So it has big of n. So it says Q less of currently unmatched men at most n element at any time. So
Correctness and key properties. Stability guarantee. The Gale-Shapley algorithm always produces a stable matching proof by contradiction if M a man and W the woman were a blocking pair. Woman must have rejected a man for someone she preferred, and she only upgrades contradiction. Proposer optimality. The algorithm is man optimal. Every man receives the best possible partner he could get in any stable matching. Formally, the M, is most prepared stable partner. Receiver pessimality. Simultaneously, it is woman pessimal. Every woman receives worst stable partner she could receive across all stable matching, a trade-off inherent to the proposer side. Uniqueness. The man optimal stable matching is unique. There may be multiple stable matching between O1 and exponentially many, but GS always find the same specific one. Best and worst case illustrated. Best case is ON scenario. Each man ranks the same woman first, but all women have distinct top choice. So, or all men have consistent agreeing preferences. So male 1 prepared woman 1. So male 2 prepared woman 2. So male 3 prepared woman 3. And proposal immediate matches, no rejection o n time. So scenario men's preference are exact reverse of women preference. Every man is rejected by and one woman before finding a match. So ma- male 1 match to woman 1, but male 1 rejected by woman 2. So he moved to woman 2, but he got rejected by woman 2. So he moved to woman 3. So they prepared each other, so they match. And in male 2, he got matched to male 1, but he got rejected, so he moved to rejected, and he doesn't like the preference too, so we moved to woman 2, and they match, and we moved to male 3. So male 3 match to woman 1. So result n, so n plus 1 by the two proposals. Maximum rejection is ON2 on time.
So, I'm Brian Anthony. My traits are cat lover and night owl. Then I'm looking for clingy na sassy and always hungry.
My name is Abdulaziz. My traits are cheater, yapper, and family-oriented. My preferences are professional eater, poor babies, and sneaky.
Hi, I'm Russell Brigby Ortega. My traits are golden retriever boy, sassy, dancer, and I'm here because I'm looking for flat na petite and high maintenance and sneaky girl.
Hi, I'm Josie. I'm especially a high maintenance girl. I'm here because I'm looking for a golden retriever boy.
I'm Paula. My traits are professional eater, and I have four babies, and I'm guilty. And my preferences are family oriented, yapper, and cheater.
Dalawang beses na yan!
Good day everyone. I'm here to present our application. Stable Match System. Stable Match System is an interactive simulation system that is inspired by the modern matching platform and powered by the Gale Shipley matching algorithm. Our system demonstrates how stable matches are formed between two groups based on personality traits and preference. As shown on the landing page, the application introduced the Gale-Shipley algorithm, which is a well-known algorithm that used to solve the stable marriage problem. And its main goal is to create stable pairings without conflicts or unstable matches. And below that is the about the developer section, which contains the names of the developers, project members, and our program, which is the Bachelor of Science and Information Technology, BSIT 2E. And to begin with, let's click this start simulation. And the My Traits section represents the participant's own characteristic, while the I like section represents the qualities that they prefer in another person. And the system uses these selected preferences to generate rank matches. As for our demonstration, for this demonstration, we will input sample participants and personality traits. For example, Daniel and his traits, funny, calm, and honest. And for his preferences, calm, smart, and honest. Meanwhile, Isabel, her traits, smart, honest, and brave. And her preferences, funny, kind, and calm. Once all the required information is complete, we click Initialize Matching. So as you can see here on the left side, the algorithm simulation panel, the system visualize each step of the matching process. The proposing participants approaches their highest rank preference first, and the receiving participant may either accept the proposal or reject it if they have already more preferred match. The rejected participants continue proposing to their next preferred choice until stable matches are achieved. While on the middle, the current interaction panel displays the active proposal happening in real time. This helps users to clearly visualize who is proposing, who is receiving the proposal, and how the algorithm progress step by step. And for the final matches, once all the proposals are complete, the final matches panels display the stable pairs generated by the algorithm. The result guarantees stability, meaning there's no two participants who would both prefer each other over their assigned partners. The result produced by the system is considered stable because there are no two participants who would both choose each other over their assigned partners. This prevents unstable pairings and ensures fairness within the matching process. The Gale-Shipley algorithm guarantees that the stable solution will always be reached. And finally, the stable match system successfully demonstrate the implementation of the Gale-Shipley stable match algorithm through an interactive and user-friendly simulation. The application highlights how stable matching algorithm can be applied in modern systems involving preferences and peer assessments. Assignments.